Hello everyone, this is a video. Today I'm talking about this device. I've been relying on it a lot lately while traveling for work and slacking off on my writing. It's the iQOO iPad 6 Pro, plus the official magnetic keyboard and iQOO pencil, a complete set. Overall, it's top tier for gaming, and surprisingly, it's also usable for office work and note-taking. Let's start with the first impression. The 13.2-inch screen feels surprisingly light in my hand. It weighs only 663 grams and is 6.18 millimeters thick. The all-metal brushed back cover feels very solid. Holding it in one hand and watching videos is no problem. It doesn't feel heavy like some large tablets. The gold color is understated, doesn't attract fingerprints, and grows on you the more you look at it. The key point, I must mention, is the screen, 4K resolution and 144 Hz refresh rate. I usually use it to watch 4K documentaries, and the color and detail are maxed out. With the speakers on the table, it's like a small mobile cinema. And it's a 3:2 aspect ratio. When viewing PPTs or writing documents, the vertical display shows more content than a 16:9 tablet, eliminating the need for frequent swiping up and down, which is incredibly user-friendly for office workers. Performance-wise, it goes without saying that the 5th generation Snapdragon 8 Ultra with LPDDR5X and UFS 4.1 storage combination scores over 4 million in benchmarks, placing it among the top tier of Android tablets. In actual testing, Genshin Impact ran smoothly at maximum settings with no noticeable frame drops even after extended play. Most impressively, it supports native 4K gaming, like Delta Force, where distant scenery details and grass textures are crystal clear on this large screen, giving the illusion of playing a AAA game. The cooling is also sufficient, with a 70,000 plus square millimeter VC cooling area. Even after 2 or 3 hours of continuous play, the back only gets warm, unlike a phone that gets unbearably hot. This time, let's focus on 2 accessories that everyone is concerned about: the continuous keyboard and stylus. This is also the key reason why I think this tablet can be a productivity tool. First, the keyboard is easy to use. Just lean it against the back of the tablet, and it automatically attaches and pairs without any hassle. The Bluetooth support angle can be infinitely adjusted to 140 degrees, and you can find a comfortable angle whether it's on a table or on your lap. The keys are full-size and have a 1.5mm rebound, which is very crisp. The typing feel is much better than I expected, even more comfortable than some thin and light laptop keyboards. The touchpad is also quite large and supports multi-finger gestures. Swiping and tapping are very responsive. For daily browsing of web pages and editing documents, I can basically operate without the touch screen. Moreover, the keyboard itself can also be used as a protective case. Closing it locks the screen, and opening it wakes it up. You don't need an extra protective case when you take it out, which is very convenient. Then, let's talk about the iQOO spray pen. Just stick it on the top of the tablet, and it automatically charges and pairs. You can pick it up and use it without worrying about the battery life. The writing latency is very low. The pen strokes are incredibly responsive, with almost no noticeable lag. Pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition are excellent, and the pen can clearly distinguish between light and heavy strokes, creating distinct shading and weight. You can easily draw mind maps or take class notes in Atomic Notes. The feel is very close to real pen and paper. Double-clicking the pen switches between eraser and brush, and pinching brings up the quick access toolbar. The operation logic is very smooth, and it even supports a paper texture mode. With a slightly enhanced texture, the writing feels very comfortable, and it doesn't strain the eyes even after prolonged use. The OriginOS 6 HD's adaptation for tablets is excellent. The Atomic Workbench allows you to group everyday apps and place them in the sidebar. Switching between split screen and small windows is incredibly smooth. I must praise the 13,000 mAh battery. It's truly durable. With normal use, watching videos, taking notes, and occasionally playing games during the day, I still have over 10,000 mAh left when I get home at night. I can easily handle a 2 or 3 day business trip without needing a power bank. In summary, if you're a hardcore mobile gamer looking for a large screen and a device that delivers high frame rates, this tablet is a no-brainer. It boasts 4K 144 Hz resolution and a Snapdragon 8 Ultra processor, and currently, it's virtually unrivaled among Android tablets. If you're a student or someone who does light office work and frequently takes notes, writes documents, or views presentations, the keyboard and pen set can completely replace some of your laptop's functions, and it's much more portable. Okay, That's my experience using it over this period. What do you think of the iQOO Pad 6 Pro? Let's discuss in the comments.